Welcome to What's Math. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. This video will focus on writing linear equations from graphs. We're going to use a slope-intercept form where y is equal to mx plus b. Example. Step 1, find the slope. Don't forget that your slope will always equal to the rise over the run. So the first thing I want to do is to find 2 points on perfect intersection on the grid. Once you find those 2 points, you want to create a right triangle. Now, it's very important that you pay attention to the value of each box on the grid. In this case, each box is worth 1 unit. So all I have to do is count the number of boxes. So on the side going up, there are 4 boxes. And on the bottom, there are 6 boxes. Now, if you notice, the graph is going up to the right, so therefore it's a positive slope because it's increasing. So m is equal to 4 over 6, which can be simplified as 2 over 3. Step 2, find the y-intercept, the b. The y-intercept is wherever the graph touches or crosses the y-axis. And in this case, it touches the y-axis at -2. So therefore, b is equal to -2. Now that we know the value for the m and the b, we can go ahead and plug in the values into the slope-intercept formula. So we're going to replace the m and the b only. So y is equal to 2/3 x minus 2. And that's your final answer. Example. First, we're going to find the slope. And remember, once again, your slope is equal to the rise over the run. We're going to look for 2 perfect points on intersections. We're going to create a right triangle. And then we're going to count the boxes to see how much is the value for the run and for the rise. But we need to pay attention to the value of each box. And in this case, each box is worth 1 unit. So the rise in this case will be 2 boxes, which is 2. And the run will be 5. If you take a good look on the graph, it's actually going down towards the right. So therefore, it's a negative slope. So m will equal to -2 over 5. Step 2, find the y-intercept. Remember, your y-intercept is wherever the graph touches or crosses the y-axis. And in this case, it's at +3. So therefore, b is equal to +3. Once we know both values, the m and the b, we can plug it into the slope-intercept form by replacing the m and the b only. So therefore, y is equal to -2 over 5x plus 3. And that's your final answer. Let's check for understanding. Please write the equation for the following graph. First step is to find the slope. Remember, your slope is your rise over the run. So what I want to do is locate 2 points that are on perfect intersections. Create a right triangle. Make sure you pay attention to the value of each box on the y-axis and also the value of each box on the x-axis. So on the side going upwards, it would be 3 boxes and it will run for 2 boxes. Since the graph is going down to the right, it will be a negative slope. So therefore, m is equal to negative 3 over 2. Step 2 is to find the y-intercept. Your y-intercept is wherever the graph touches or crosses the y-axis. And in this case, it will be at negative 4. So therefore, b is equal to negative 4. Then, because we know the m, which is the slope, and we also know the y-intercept, we can plug in the value into y equals to mx plus b, replacing the m and the b only. So y is equal to negative 3 over 2x minus 4. And that was your answer. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. If you like what you see in this video, please buy me a coffee, but it's not mandatory. Thank you so much in advance.